My car has been making a noise for about 4 months. It stops the second a mechanic gets in. Little snitch has loyalty. I can parallel park perfectly when nobody is watching. One witness and suddenly I've never operated a vehicle. My GPS offered a route 11 minutes faster. I said no. I don't trust roads I haven't personally approved. When I'm lost, the first thing I do is turn the music down. Because obviously the radio is the problem. My fuel light came on this morning. I treat that as a suggestion. We're negotiating. I finally washed my car after 8 months. It rained in 90 minutes. The sky had notes.